massive snowstorm over here. Well, actually, the snowstorm happened been like several days ago, but still, Oh, man, this ice is mad slippery over here. Here, I don't even know what to do. Luckily for me, it's not that windy out, so it's not really that cold, but I like still, If I were to do these things again, I don't know what else to do now. I might have to readjust how this thing works. But today is January 28th, Wednesday, January 28th, 2026. There was no school on Monday and Tuesday because it was snow day, because it was still snowing, and they haven't yet plowed all the snow out. I know it looks a lot more than it actually is, but it's only like 1.5 to 2 feet of snow. It looks a lot higher because they probably, the things that pull out all this, they get rid of all the snow in the middle of the road. They probably, they stack all the piles of snow up together on each side, so the snow starts to build up and like stack on top of each other. So that's why the piles of snow are so large. But in actual reality, well, I'm currently walking home from my bus stop from school. I'm currently walking home from school, but still, Fall River snowstorm. See, the actual snow is more like this deep, high. So this right here will be kind of unrealistic. Interpretation of how high the snow is because this was like piled up. This pile of snow was piled up when they cleaned the roads, I think. And so yeah, I don't know what else to do. But sorry if I'm shaking the camera a lot. But I'm just kind of excited. Hold on, I'll hatch back up to you once I reach, get inside my house or apartment, I guess. Sorry if the horizontal, the angle, the format which I have the camera set up in, it's a bit weird. See, the thing is that at first I was thinking about I thought, maybe I can make this into a short form video. Then I immediately thought long form, and then I made the first couple. But then I realized it was too short, and I was almost done with the original idea of the video, and I was like it should be vertical, so for to become a short video. And now after actually explaining and showing everything here, I realized the video is going to be a lot longer than a short because I'm yapping, being a lot. So actually, I was like, on second thought, I'll actually make the video, make it a long form video. So yeah, look how big this mountain of snow is. See, what you see down here is a more real. It's like, okay, that might be a little. See how thick the snow is? Although most of the snow actually arose like a couple days ago, but still, it is cold out here, but you guys might assume by how much I'm breathing in the way I'm acting that it's like super cold, but it's not actually that cold out, surprisingly. It was much colder during the actual snowstorm and like the day after that. Or the day after that. The snowstorm started at nighttime. during like toward the end of Saturday. So yeah. But if we would say about thing, I don't know what I'm saying, but here's the Fall River snowstorm. Fall River snowstorm. Yeah. Yeah, they delayed the school day by 2 hours. So instead of going into school at my usual 7:55 a.m. time, I actually started at 9:55 a.m. But since I take the bus, which usually comes at around 7:10 a.m., it actually came out like 9:10 a.m. So yeah, I knew ahead of time. So yeah, see that snow? Hey, thick snow. Look at this. Look how tall the snow is compared to my leg. You can clearly see my shoes right here. Yeah, those are my shoes. So that would make a lot more sense. Yeah. So those are my shoes, of course. I know it sounds like if I'm kind of going dull or something. I just got out of school. Okay? I don't know what else you guys want. No one's likely going to be watching this video. So. But I don't care. I'm mostly making this video just to like have permanent reference. It's not really for... I'm keeping it public so I can have like easy access to the video even if I don't have access to the account anymore. So that's why I'm making this video. So to me, it doesn't matter if this video gets a lot of views or no views at all. I'm still gonna keep it anyway. And so yeah, see you when I'm actually inside.